Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's model is the ballerina. This model will replicate the movement of a ballerina dancer. Where do you think you can see the ballerina dancer? Do you think the ballerina dancer can be linked to a mechanical concept? Let's explore together in today's video. So this is an example of ballet dancing performed by a ballerina. So let's see the ballerina model in action. When I shift the gear towards the right, the ballerina will move in a clockwise direction. While when I shift the gear towards the left, the ballerina will move in the opposite direction. So the theory behind this model is crown gear. A crown gear is a gear which has teeth that project at right angles to face the wheel. A typical use of a crown gear is that it allows a rotary motion to be shifted 90 degrees, just as this picture shows. So this is an example of a crown gear. As you can see, the crown gear has its teeth pointed at a 90-degree angle. You may be wondering, why is it called a crown gear? Well, mostly because it resembles a crown, the crown that a king wears or a queen wears. The crown gear used in the ballerina helps transfer the energy from the motor through the ballerina to help it spin. So here is the crown gear, and if you look closely, you can see that the gear 24 on the axle is positioned at a 90-degree angle compared to the crown gear. Also, the worm gear, which spins the ballerina, is also connected to the crown gear in a 90-degree angle. You may be wondering, what are some of the usages of the crown gear in everyday life? One common example of a crown gear is in cars. When the main crown gear, which is linked to the motor, spins, it spins a series of tiny gears that are connected to axles or shafts that move the wheels on the axles. So before this video ends, I want to remind you that the main theory of the ballerina model is the crown gear. Aside from the ballerina and the car that we discussed earlier on, I want to ask you, have you seen any more applications of the crown gear in everyday life? If so, remember to let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.